Everybody, how are you doing? Annyeonghaseyo, friends. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this awesome rice with dal and kimchi. Yes, that's right. It's Indian meets Korean cuisine. So I'm using basmati rice for this, and we're going to use some kimchi and also my favorite dal. So this is going to turn out awesome, eaten as a snack or also a full meal. You're going to love it, so just make it. So for this, you would need the Puliogare powder. It's the tamarind rice from MTR. You can find it in any Indian store. So this is a masala powder. It's got everything in it. All you have to do is heat some oil at low flame and then put the Puliogare powder in, saute it on low flame for a while, and then mix the cooked rice in it. So right now what I'm doing is I'm pouring in half of the Puliogare powder inside the oil, and it's on low flame. The oil is already heating up on low flame, so I'm going to just crush the bits of the Puliogare powder or the masala powder. So it's got peanuts in it, tamarind, and some Indian spices. You can check out the ingredients on the package, and it smells awesome. As soon as it starts heating up, you can smell the whole thing in your kitchen. Even your neighbors can tell you're making something awesome. So that's what is great about this fried rice. The masala is sauteed well enough for a couple minutes. Basmati rice is being cooked right now, and look at that. Check that basmati rice. And you can use any rice with this, but I prefer basmati to go with this dish. It smells great. It tastes awesome. It's a great combination. Fried rice with basmati is an awesome combination, and you would love it. Jasmine rice and a regular white rice may not give you that kind of flavor as basmati gives you with this Puliogare mix. So all you have to do is, once the masala is hot in the oil, pour in basmati rice. You can use as many cups as you want. Here I'll be using about 3 cups of cooked rice. So use as much rice as you want, and if you want 4 to 5 cups of rice, you can use the whole pack of Puliogare powder for this. So slowly mix in the rice with the masala, and make sure every grain of rice gets the masala. Impatient folks can eat this right now, right away. Yeah, go ahead and eat it. But what I like to do is, to get the perfect flavors, I like to let the rice cook a little longer with the masala, so everything gets absorbed nicely and each grain of rice tastes awesome. Full tamarind flavors with all the delicious Indian spices. So yeah, we're gonna cover the pot with the lid and let it sit for a while, for 2 to 3 minutes, and enjoy the scenery out of my window. We're going to open the lid and check on the rice. It's done, and I'm going to turn off the heat, and you can eat this tamarind rice as is right now. It's flavorful, it's delicious, and you can eat it as is, just like a snack. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to eat it with my dal. I made it this morning, so I wrapped it in the foil and put it in the fridge. So I'm going to add that for dinner with my fried rice. Check that out. Wow, the dal, nutritious dal, yellow lentils. It's so good for you. Gotta eat it, guys. So I'm not gonna stop here. I'm gonna add kimchi to it, and this is my favorite brand of kimchi, the Chonga brand, and this is called a mat kimchi or matcha kimchi. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. But I love this kimchi over all other kimchis because this is seasoned well with perfection, and it's made with, baby shrimps. Kimchi's like Toboggan brand. I don't like those kimchis that much as I like the mat kimchi from Chunga brand. The other brands, they ripen quicker and they taste so nasty when it gets old and it smells awful. But this mat kimchi from Chunga, it's seasoned well, and I think Indians would love this. If any Indian or Westerner or anybody who hasn't tried kimchi yet, or people who hate the smell of kimchi, I think you should start with mat kimchi because the flavors are close to Indian flavors. You're gonna love it as a combination with dal and rice. It goes so well with the rice and dal, and you're gonna love it. So awesome basmati rice seasoned with tamarind masala, Puliogare masala, and kimchi. There you go, folks. Indian Korean fusion. Let me know if you have tried it, and if you enjoyed it, I bet you'll love it. Just let me know in the comments if you tried it or not, and please subscribe to this channel if you enjoyed this video, and watch many more videos coming up, and hope you have a good day. Bye bye. 잘 먹겠습니다.